So today we have what I believe is a 1.5 horsepower Hercules, but I'm certainly no expert on them. I am guessing just by the shape of the hopper and the ball governor. Looks to me like it's been converted, maybe not, been converted to a spark plug. Has a interesting trip. Right there, which I'm gonna get a battery and hook it up and see if it even works. But so we're back on the little 1.5 horsepower, and I don't know if you can see that, but unfortunately it's pretty loaded with old varnish, or what used to be gasoline. So if you're trying to drain the tank by yourself, this is the best idea I've come up with. It's just the 4x4 with a 2x4 under it. That will work. Alright. So there it sits, in the back of the truck. There's no cart. So I'm going to see if I can unload it, and this ramp will hold it. Sure hope. Alright, so we're back on the Hercules. I obviously took apart the latch out, the ball governor, and most of the parts you see right here in front of you. So it's pretty basic, but it actually had 2 springs. This one on the left is actually, that one actually goes in that hole up there and kind of just pushes out on the latch out. So I don't think that's gonna do anything as far as the speed. I think that's just gonna control how easy it pops out. So once you take the 2 ball governor wings off, you have a nice pin that comes out, and this is what the ball governor presses on. So I have put in a bit weaker spring. Black one on the left being the original one, pretty firm. The new one, which is almost the exact identical size, is definitely a little softer. So I'm gonna slip it on the shaft. Slip it back in. Now when these ball governors go out, I'm gonna press on this pin. And this pin rests right on the nice worn spot there, that in turn presses on, you can see it, will press on the D-latch lever with speed control. It has its own separate spring that goes right in there. So for now I'm going to try just a softer spring in the ball governor area, and I'll try and update you when I go to start it. We'll take it back together. That certainly slowed her down a good bit. And if you notice on the speed leader, I am back in the middle. So I'm going to let it run for a second. Warm up. See where I'm at as far as the mixture screw, and then we'll try sliding her forward and see if it'll slow down even more. Definitely a difference. All right, let's see if we can get it going even more. All right, we're back on the Hercules, 1.5 horsepower. So it says. I did look a bunch up on the internet. It seems like a lot of them have the tank that comes out, the filled neck that comes out right there. So that's why I'm not 100% sure, but 1.5 E, serial number 129394. RPM 550, which seems to be the same on most of them. I just threw a muffler on it. I have that pipe needs to obviously go away, and I just haven't messed with it. I did clean it up a little bit. I thought it was too green originally, so I just wiped it down and cleaned a little bit of the green paint off the flywheels and crank, and I think it, let's see, I don't know, I think it helped offset all that green. It was either that, I tried that, or I was gonna, touch up the flywheels with black or something, just to break up the color. It was too much, but it's a Hercules. So I will say that I probably put a lot more time into it than I was planning. And it was a rather fun, interesting little project. The gentleman who I got it from has been enjoying it, so that always helps. As far as cleaning them up and seeing how far you can take them, but let's see, let's set the speed in the middle. Let me connect the battery. It has the original Model T buzz coil that is strapped on. That strap, I've not removed that because originally it held a battery and it actually fit pretty perfect. I haven't decided if I'm going to get a battery or what I'm going to do. I really don't like the skid that it's on, so I got my eyes open for a cart. Maybe it should go on a cart, but air-cooled head, runs really good, and I don't even have a ton of water in it. But obviously it cleaned up a little bit, but I don't think that's much good if it doesn't run or start. So we will see how it does. Appears to be running out of gas. Alright, Mr. Lou, this is it. I think semi cleaned up. I went through, I've cleaned it up. I had pretty much the whole thing apart, as you've seen in some of the videos. It is back together. I didn't clean up. I thought it was too much green, so I cleaned some of the paint off of the flywheels and the crankshaft and gave them a little bit of a polish. So that's how it turned out. Hopefully you enjoyed. You saw the longer video. Well, I've tried unsuccessfully to get it slower. And that's about the best I'm going to be able to do and keep it reliable anyway. Well, still got a little bit more to work on, but thank you so much for watching. Definitely appreciate it. Take care.